Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyambat penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
Ka Shubham Charitable Association kabla tray met bat mensim hagajing ben kubor de kikin thai bat hagaju kapor ben penne pensa ya kamariang hagasing khado jong snam aratar phosau kala penlong ya ka program pesno tho kabakta lingba ka awareness program ben Pynsaphriang Jingtip Shaphang Zero Waste Spirit Mission Laitlum Kajing karan kalapan kesani kejinan kam jangki sanitary pad kibelak ben penan kam biang kum kalat kibelak ben ne nakabenta kejing khut jing suba hakapor poi benai bat kumju ben penne pensa bat banyada ya kamariang kejing shim benta shitram jang Laitlum Green Self Help Group kakinhun Self Help Group baka sendrop lang Self Help Group klalong kabakong san bakla pin shongkun shong sba ya kan ka program kabakado shai kajing persyang basyong dor jangan ka dong kathan bantre kam hakiru kom bala ban penne pensa ya ka mai mariang kikin ram kilendan ki blawan banyadan benta kikin thop ye Dr. Amanda Pakenten Dr. Eki Nongbri na jongsha PhD ki dekhot jong ka asha urang ba ashdong bulu secretary shnong ka Laitlum ka president jong ka Shubham Charitable Association ka Pushpa Bajaj bat ki we ki noyalam kin thop yu project convener Payal Bajaj ru klaidan lang Lapan wai no eka program de jing khat jing wer nakabenta ka jing persyang de ki rukam sumar khoj hakapor poi benai yak ba baro kle minjer lang kablalong ka sinjam ka ya Shaphang ka mission zero waste period
The absorption power, no? Like these are the regular ones which we use. We know when that it has been absorbed, but it is like okay, equal to this 20 ml we have given, but it has become wet. Similarly, if we do with this one, similarly if we do this one,
40 ml से ज़्यादा तो किसी को होता ही नहीं है उसमें भी डाल दो
just to show if it is not leak proof and all. Ma'am, if you can also do, yeah. See, yes, it absorbs. The absorption power is nice. Yes. It will absorb, and if there's no leakage also, just to show that the leakage is also not there. And but this is much drier than this. This is wet. There's no leakage, no nothing. So it's all stain proof. No stain will be there in your cloth, no? So if we give some more, 40 ml, if we go scientifically, 40 ml a woman discharges during one day in periods. So this is like 20 ml we have given. We can give a little more, 20 more. Nothing will happen. It is easily absorbable. It gets dry also easily, and there's no leak. This is no leak. There's no leak. And no leakage. There's no leakage. Easily you can wear this, go to your workplace, work your village, go to school, college, nothing. These buttons are there to keep it secure, and you will keep it in your inner wear, and you just apply this straight and it will remain like this. Nothing. No? But if we give another 20, it's already wet. If we give another 20, it will become very wet. You feel very, wet inside. Yes. This becomes heavy. But this one is not that heavy. Yes.
Takasni niaw penkut yo newsnem daka jingkhoi jingsuba kabanwan ra ya kashnang kathaw ka joni bat kata kadai ba nyakren namenta kinigi jingpoi benai joni ki kenthe bat kumju ru namenta kumno ban pendangkam yo uneu sanitary pads bat ni shak pendangkam ba dakiniki whisper ne dakiniki stay free bat habangi pendangkam kita ting ki dan ki long kemie ne ki dan ki kenthe ki bangi bread luma but habangi ni bread ki dustbin ru tengte pada wan so ura no sharum shaneng but khantam ni le kanika destination jangi bumta bangi dan ya ko Laitlum babaro ki kadega tourist destination tengte so ura itu pads sharum shaneng but ke ni chakriya bha ben rementa pada sotna idan kini ki longkme ki bana ko ka Shaphang charitable association kiba kumi uni fresh pads washable sanitary pads aba nila outside but pendat kam yang but ini ngila pendat kam ru license way pads ada ni set but ni ku but ni perkiang uta pads ngila pendat kam yang apa license but ini ru ngila benua hakador dan bedor da ken ki lang kini ki joni ki bre ki joni shani ki dang duna ba ka yo ka kot nri pedala dani pekat ba ba ni da ke ini shi paket hakador lice pa ka dan subtly dia pekat ba ni dia pekat song rin ba dang long tang menyitin shi spa ka shi snap dia la menyitin dia shi paket dan subtly hakador lice pa ka kita balong ke lat ke bayar bahaya kilong kami ya kayeng ke beduna ke jingyo ke jingkot na uniu pads bangi pendan kamenta ni wash pads dina ko ani ben matai ya iki long kami jongi iki priu ke jongi ba hot ni ting ni ile ran pan sa de yeng sen wash pads bangila yo hakador ke bedon kata kala ira bahaya ni kilong kami senang pendong lai kamtam but kumju ndai dai kata pangini kentanya ka bedor bagin yo inutat dai na pakat hai kalian ka khut ka suba but kumju ru ya ka kwat takia nama ting ting ni ngidang le rai mat kren kum ka jadun dia jongi ngidang le rai mat kren ya kai ikini ke baro Shaphang ka nega jing poi banai ndai ting ting da pendan kam kini ki sanitary pads ki bani shit thiet ba kum ki whisper ki stay free ting ting shit prom ini ki private pads ki jongi ka prom ka dad nyale rai ban tu le rai ban doktor ni temot ngantangin da ban doni u pads banila inside ban pendan kam yang dengan mot ka jingkhoi ka jing suba kan wan ka jingkot ka jing khia kan wan demot ka jingpang ji stombu kan lai te ning skwa ban ya thu ai piang ni ba uniu pads wan ra jingira hadu kata ya kilong sen ki jongi ya kilong kami ki jongi kam tam le ka ba man kisni jing in ki jongi min le shi school ki jongi but kam tam ni shong ha school ne ha college de ki kenta uniu pads ula ban pendan kam riu kenta Dia kan tahu dang ya tambah bangin pendan kam dunia pads but kata kalau ke ika bala long ka ba khut ka suba na madlek undi syarut ru unum likhi but kunjuru un aru ka jing smaro kanum dan hi te kamu dunia pads ngila ban pendan kam iki kena school ru kena college ru but kunju iki batrai bakta but kunju hayeng hasem kilong kemi barwa tenga syukwa ban ong ya pikhendiat hange bani dan hange ko snong lai do te namenta jong kanika snong ru namenta ki tourist ru ki bawan hi te kamu ninda yo ban kanel ka alun ka kamai jak ko ru namenta ki khon samla jongi ki badbu dukan niki SH jongi ki badbu dukan hange apa lai do ru te kamu tindawan ki tourist ru ni batai ki ban pendan kam duni wash pads kamu nam dan kan ka jing pret pathar ki to ki stay free niki whisper sharum shaneng